Chapter 3, Lesson 1. What is important to you? Words to know. Needs, potential, wants, values, refusal skills. Discover the difference between wants and needs, the importance of identifying your personal values, the influence of your values on your actions. Can you list the things that are important to you? You might think of a good family life, close friends, and enough food each day. Other teens might add having enough spending money or a chance to play on a hockey team to their list of things that are important to them. If you know what is important to you, it is easier to set goals and achieve happiness in life. Basic needs. You share the same basic needs that all people have. Needs are things that you have to have in order to live. There are different types of needs. Physical needs are basic to your survival and well-being. They include air, food, water, sleep, a place to live, and clothing. Remember how pleased you were to see your friends on the first day of school. You have emotional needs too. Emotional needs include your need to belong, to be accepted by other people. Getting along with other people is an important need that everyone has. Another emotional need is the need to be safe and secure. That means feeling comfortable and protected from harm. The need to be loved and the need to be respected and recognized for your work and your actions is also emotional needs. When your emotional needs are met, you feel good about yourself. Another need you share with people is a need to reach full potential. Potential is the capacity to grow and develop. When you strive to reach your full potential, you use skills, talents, and abilities to try to be everything you are capable of becoming. Wants. Wants are different from needs. Wants are things that you would like to have that are not necessarily for survival. You may want the latest CD, but you can't live without it. Sometimes people confuse wants and needs. Have you ever wanted something so much that you convinced yourself that you really needed it? Perhaps you felt that you could not live without a new camera. Did you really need it, though, or was it something simply you wanted to have? Wants are not basic to your survival as food and water are. Values. The way you satisfy your needs and wants is based on your values. Ideas about right and wrong and about what is important in your life. Most people share common values such as a good family life, freedom, honesty, trust, and health. Other values are individual, such as being a good student or playing well in a sport. Sharing values. Many of your values come from your family and from other people who are important to you, such as teachers, religious leaders. Like most young people, you probably grew up sharing your family's values. You've learned values from your family related to such things as food, money, religion, education, and marriage. Perhaps your family placed a value on traditions such as how birthday parties and holidays are celebrated. As you get older, you may begin to add other values. Some of these values will come from your environment, the people and the things around you. For instance, if your community starts a recycling campaign, you may learn the value of reusing recycling in your home. Difference in values. People have different values because of their interests and their experiences vary, and because they come from diverse backgrounds. What values do you have that differ from the values of your friends? The way you prioritize or rank your values may help be different from the others rank their values. For example, some people put high priority on exercising regularly. Some don't. Some of your friends may work extra hard at getting good grades. Some may care little about grades. You can learn to respect others' values and priorities, even though these values and priorities are different from yours. In return, other people should respect your values and priority. Your own value system. It is important to develop your own set of values based on what you believe to be right and wrong. Knowing what is important to you will help you make decisions about your personal life and your career. As you develop your value system, you may notice that some of your values are in conflict with each other. For example, if getting good grades is important to you, you may want to spend the afternoon finishing your math assignment. What if your friends are going to the movies and they encourage you to join them? Will you have to decide which value is more important, completing your math homework and turning it in on time, or being with your friends? At times, your values may also be in conflict with other people's values. To remain true to what you believe is right or wrong, you may need to use refusal skills or ways to say no effectively. Figure 3.1 gives examples of refusal skills. State exactly how you feel directly and honestly. Do not apologize for your decisions or your values. Use direct eye contact to show that you mean what you say. Use a firm yet friendly tone of your voice. Use the other person's name. Suggest an option that is more acceptable to you. Avoid compromise, which can slow the way of saying yes. Some of your values, such as freedom and health, will be important to you all of your life. Other values may become more or less important as you have new experiences and meet new people. For example, you may learn to value the outdoors as a result of taking science class in school. You will want your life to include the values that are most important to you. Your values serve as guides to your actions. For example, if you value honesty, you will not lie to a friend. If you value your family, you will help out at home. If you value excellence as a singer, you will practice. Your values help you decide what you do and how you act. Your values in your life. Your values are influenced by your family, friends, and environment. When you decide on your personal values, you will be able to satisfy your needs and wants in ways that contribute to a happy, successful life.